Myfirstwig once more for today's gorgeous wig look. I was really feeling it. Look at that, the movement, stunning. I was feeling myself now. Look at that. Once again, it's the same packaging that they had upgraded to since recently. This is actually their Airfluff Kinky wig. It's a bob cut with curtain bangs for my beginners. Look at that. Super nice. It looks melted. It's giving scalp at the lace, so that's 10 out of 10. And the hair feels like natural hair. I really do love the kinky texture. It's giving a very realistic vibe. So I was pretty much towards the end of fully straightening a half of the wig, and it was very easy to do. I feel like anybody could really achieve, you know, styling this wig. So if you're looking for a straight texture bob that have more of that kinky straight vibe, this wig I would highly recommend. Yeah, absolutely love. It's insanely pretty, and the fact that it looks this good and it's still glueless,